Hello everyone. I just want to show you a chicken curry recipe that I just decided to make today just because I have some leftover veggies that I'm not gonna use. I need to recreate them in a chicken curry recipe. So I chopped the leftovers from the veggie tray, the carrots, cauliflower, uh, peppers. Those are orange red peppers, but you could use any peppers. The celery, onions, and I put some garlic, and this is zucchini from the garden. Other than that, I have salt, pepper, curry powder, and canola oil. All right, now I'm adding about half a cup of canola oil, and I'm gonna wait until it heats up, and then saute the onion and garlic. And I'm going to saute the onions and garlic and then add the chicken to them. That would be the next step. All right, so now I'm gonna add the onion since the oil is hot. Onion and garlic saute, stirring all the time. And I'll wait until it's done or translucent, and I will add the chicken to it. All right, it looks like the onion is already done, started to be golden brown. So I'm going to add the chicken cubes to it. Okay, so there's a teaspoon of salt, and about half a teaspoon of black pepper, and this is chicken curry, so I'm just gonna be generous with the curry. So I put 3 spoons so far, and I may end up adding some later. So I'm gonna cover for a little bit for the chicken to cook with the onion and garlic, and continue with the next step. Well, as you can see, the chicken is really good, smells very good, and it's not done yet, but it's in the process. So I'm gonna cover it. So it's been 5 minutes, and in the meantime I put some flour in this pan, and I'm going to toast it, make it, keep stirring until it's all golden brown, and then add it to the chicken. All right, the flour looks like it's brown. It's actually getting close to burn, so I'm gonna add it to the chicken. And then this is what's gonna make the chicken curry a little bit thicker. While I was doing this, I boiled some water, and so I'm gonna add some water because this will be thickened. So I'm gonna add some water to it to cover it and let it cook for a little bit, then add the vegetables. Right, so as you can see, the chicken, onion, garlic, and the toasted flour, they're been boiling for 10 minutes. So now I think I'm gonna add the chicken. I'm gonna add the vegetables. Once the chicken is like halfway done, you can add the vegetables. Adding the vegetables right here. And I made some potatoes too, so I'm gonna add, I cut some potatoes too that I didn't show you before. And potato is really good with this. So I'll add the potatoes. All right, here's the potatoes. They're diced, peeled and diced. And so I'm gonna add them all together. Let them cook and cover them and then I will check later when they're done, and I will adjust the salt, pepper, and curry powder. All right, so I left it boil, the chicken, all the vegetables, all the ingredients, cook for about 20 minutes. And I just felt the vegetables, and I could see the potatoes almost done. The cauliflower is soft when I cut it with the spoon, easily cut. And I tasted, and it was perfect to my taste. However, things can be adjusted when served. And I found that I have some chopped parsley I want to use in my fridge, so I'm gonna add it to it. I don't usually add parsley, but why not? Makes it look good and makes it taste good if you have it. And this is served with rice on the side, and some people like cayenne pepper when I serve it. I don't add cayenne pepper to it when I cook, but I have it on the side when I serve it. So it's all done, just the rice is left, and صحتين وعافية. This smells so good, it tastes so good.